Good afternoon to all. Today's session we are going to discuss about the Python programming. Okay, Python is a high-level programming language. Is similar to Java. Already, you people are very much familiar about C, C++, and Java. Okay, similar to that, Python is a general purpose. It is used to develop all kind of real-time applications and as well as interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented high-level programming language. Okay, Python is a dynamically typed language and garbage collected programming language. What is a dynamically typed language? In normally C and C++ Java, we have to define the data type as an integer or character double assigned to any kind of variable. But in Python, we are not able to given data type. Once we have to given as a number as an input, it should be automatically treated as an integer, and you should assign as a character. It should be enclosed with a single quotes. It should be a string. It should be automatically assigned by the Python programming. And garbage collected programming language. What is meant by garbage collected programming language? Some of the variables can be declared in a program, but it cannot be used for long time. It should be automatically garbage collected. The value should be deleted automatically. The free of memory space can be used for new variable allocation. Okay, it was a language developed by the Claudio von Rossum during the year of 1985 to 1919. Okay, Auckland University, New Zealand. Okay, this is a person to develop a language as a Python programming language. So generally comes under a GNU. What is meant by GNU? It is a general public license. Okay. Then Python supports a multi-programming paradigm in the sense the Python can support the multitasking. The more than one program can be executed simultaneously. That is, we can call it as a multi-programming paradigm. Okay, that is an important. Next we can go for the what are all the job opportunities for Python. Okay, today is Python is a very high demand programming language, so it is difficult to search a skilled persons. Okay, so once you can find out that such kind of skilled person, we are giving the more salary. Okay, in the Python platform. Okay, the Python can be used to develop is not only for website. It is also used to develop the software components, applications, and it should be incorporated with the data science and artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. Some of the emerging new technologies can be incorporated or embedded into the Python programming languages. Okay, the market demands is a more number in the Python programming. Normally the person should be a skilled person in the Python. We are getting the around $150,000 for annual package in USA, United States of America. So what are all the most of the companies to require the skilled person in the Python? Say Google, Intel, NASA, PayPal, Facebook, IBM, Amazon, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, and many more organizations used for Python programming to develop the system-oriented application, real-time applications, and then online applications. Next, why to learn the Python? Very important questions. Okay, right? Is why we can go for Python? The most of the industry to demand for the Python programming. That is a reason behind that we need a skilled persons in Python. They are giving the more salary. The only reason behind that we can go to learn the Python, right? Python is a language. It is easy to learn compared to that C, C++, and Java. Okay, this should be a great choice for programmers. Okay. Not only for colleges, today the Python language can be used for various schools, colleges, universities are teaching Python as a primary programming languages. Okay, even the school students also to learn the Python programming language from 10th standard onwards. There are many other good reasons to make the Python as a top choice of any programmer. Okay, Python is an open source language. It is not a licensed software. It should be free of cost to download from the net and installed in your PC or your mobile app. You can install your system, you can execute the program from the system, or it may be a mobile itself. Python is a simple and easy to learn language compared to the C and C++ Java. The Python index is very easy to learn. Okay. Python is a versatile and can be used to create the many different things. Okay, that is a vast area of application. That is, we can call it versatile. It is used to create n number of applications, not only for education. Okay, mechanical industry, e-commerce industry. It should be play a major role in all kind of applications. The Python has a powerful libraries. It is embedded into the AI and ML. Today, the most of the artificial intelligence and machine learning tools can be embedded or incorporated into the Python to develop many successful applications. The Python is in much demand and ensuring the high salary packages for an employees. Okay. Advantages to learning the Python. Python is an interpreter. Python is a interpreted language. Why? In the sense, Python is an interpreted language. Okay. The Python is the read the code like line by line, one after another. So compared to the compiler, right? Python is an interactive. It should be you can easily interact with the program through the command prompt. Okay, with the help of the user. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, in the Python, all the things can be written within a class. We can call it as an object-oriented programming language. Python is a beginner language. Okay, Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers. Okay, to support all the real-time applications and also to develop the game itself. Okay, Python operators. The operators is a simple tool. To perform the operation in between the two operands, according to one definition. Okay, so operator is placed in between the two operands to perform the variety of operations like an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison, assignment. There are so many ways we can use an operator, right? So even this, every programming language, some of the operators are perform the several tasks. Same as other programming language, Python also has some of the operators. What are the operators in the Python? It's an arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, and then logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and then identity operators, right? Now we can